Hey team, Carl here, Redbeard Recipes. Today we're going to be making some tortellini. We'll be making the pasta from scratch. I'm going to have to channel my inner Italian for this one, I think.
Pooh, you bastard!
Asking people if they've got rocks in their head and stuff.
Have rocks in the side?
Pretty simple recipe. The only bit of equipment I'm going to use is a pasta mangle, which I finally got. Side note, if you ever do want anything, create a YouTube channel, call out the people who haven't got you such present, and then you'll get it. If you don't have a pasta mangle, rolling pin, just get ready to exert some energy. Let's get started.
Margarete.
The first thing that we'll do is lightly whisk 4 eggs. We're going to use 1 egg per 100 gram of flour. So we'll mix in oil with the eggs and mix that together. Next, we'll sift the flour onto the bench, make sure it's a clean workbench. We'll make a little well in the middle, mix in some of the egg and start mixing it together. We'll add the egg in slowly, just so we can get the flour absorbed into it. Bit by bit, just adding it, keep on mixing until it starts to form into a dough. And we're going to knead it for around 7 to 8 minutes. It's quite a stiff dough, unlike bread dough, so it will take a bit of effort. Wrap that up, pop it in the fridge for around at least half an hour.
Jesus, take the wheel.
After around half an hour, you can remove your dough from the fridge, scatter a little bit of flour across your bench and on your rolling pin, and then roll it backwards and forwards. No need to go side to side. We want to keep this dough quite narrow. So we're going to start passing it through the pasta mangle. On your pasta mangle, you'll have different sort of width. So start off on the widest and just start working your way down until the pasta is as thin as you want it. I got mine down to the number 1, so it was the thinnest it could be on this mangle. And there we go, it's finished product. Near enough before we start cutting it into our shapes. For our filling, we're going to be using some of our leftover pulled beef along with some Gouda.
My favorite's Gouda.
So here we're going to cut out the shapes ready for the tortellini. Normally for tortellini I'd use a square cutter, but didn't have one to hand. So I just used an egg ring to cut out a circle. And this is where we will put our filling ready to cook. And with the leftover pasta, the scraps, you can always re-fold them together, pop them through the mangle again, or you can freeze them down in a bowl. That's what I've done, just so I've got some pasta ready to go next time I want to use it. So to make our tortellini, we're going to need 1 egg whisked up to make some egg mix. Simply, you're going to pop in whatever filling you want into the middle, a little bit of egg mix around the outside. So I'm using pulled beef that's left over, and I'll pop a link in the description for that recipe, and a little bit of Gouda. A little bit of egg mix just around the outside, doesn't have to be too much. Fold it in half, crimp it down tightly. You can use a fork to do this as well. And then we're going to fold that horizontally. A little dash of egg mix on just the corner and squeeze it together tight. To cook your pasta, just get some water up boiling, make sure it's salted, pop it in and just wait till it rises up to the top, and then that should show that it's cooked. Going to use a Napoli sauce. Again, will be a link up top here of a recipe for some homemade Napoli or tomato sauce. Pop your pasta into the sauce, mix it round nicely, and then get ready to serve. I'm going to dust mine with a little bit more Gouda cheese over the top and a little sprig of basil.
Fuck! It is so good. That's the only way you describe it. Fucking good.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed that one. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
All right. Ciao, ciao. All right. Ciao, ciao. All right.